Hey YouTube, another episode of baby birds in my backyard. As you can see, there's a baby bird right there. It's a baby pigeon. It's about a week old. I've been watching it. I actually watched it hatch. We have not seen its mother though for a very, very long time. So we've been trying to find it for about 3.5 hours. We've been sitting on our porch over there. So, okay. Well, I hope to see you guys in the next episode. Say goodbye to the bird. He's really cute though, isn't he? Like I said, he's about 1.5 weeks. 1 and 3 days to be exact, so. He's still a youngster. He can almost fly, because we actually, whenever we first found him, he was out of his nest, and he had, like his leg was bleeding, so we took him inside, and we fixed him up. So, me and him are pretty tight, so. I'm gonna go inside, and hopefully, Mom finds him, and yeah. Wish him luck. Bye.